bakit type kita. Hindi ka naman gwapa, kahit malabo ang pagpili ko. DL ako sa'yo, panay kantyaw ng mga uko ko. Lehis ka daw bagay sa pagwapuhan ko. Malabo nga ba daw ang mata ko, at na-DL kita. Kalyeng likong-liko ang takbo ng isip ko. Sabi ng lolo, may toyo pang utak ko. Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format mayaman, TL wala naman. Ewan ko ba kung bakit type kita. Hindi ka naman gwapa, kahit malabo ang pagpili ko. DL ako sa'yo, kalyeng likong-liko ang takbo ng isip ko. Sabi ng lolo, may toyo pang utak ko. Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format mayaman, TL wala naman. Ewan ko ba kung bakit type kita. Hindi ka naman gwapa, kahit malabo ang pagpili ko. DL ako sa'yo, ikaw ang true love ko. There goes that song from Cinderella, and they call it one TL Ako Sayo. Thank you for listening to this song and for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it to somebody else who needs inspiration or motivation to start their own stroke recovery program. And subscribe if you are new here in this channel, so that you'll be connected to uploads that I do on a weekly basis. And before we part, I'd say that you protect yourself from the coronavirus, because it's us who is best responsible for our health, not the government, not any other people, but it's us who's breathing the virus. If we are careless, then it's really difficult to breathe. And it's a bad experience, I would say. So until the next upload, stay safe, and I'll see you then.